Welcome back. Today we'll be making a salta with chicken breast, which is a very famous Yemeni dish. So first we'll start by cooking the chicken with vegetables. So I have here like sliced chicken breast. I washed it, then I will put it on the plate, on the pan. We'll add a little bit of ghee. You can also use oil if you don't have ghee. Then we can add half chopped onion. We keep mixing it till it gets some color. Then we'll add half tomato. Followed by adding spices. You can see them here. We have salt, cardamom, cumin, turmeric, black pepper, coriander. Then we can add the cilantro and garlic. Then we'll add the vegetables. Here we have potato, squash or zucchini, and the last one I forgot its name, but it's jazar. Carrots, yeah, it's carrots. And then we'll add boiled waters until it cover everything, and we'll keep it to be cooked at medium heat for around 25 minutes or 30 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. And once it's cooked, we can stop. Now it's ready. So we'll come to the next step. We need this one. We call it harada, or it's this one. I got it from a Korean market. It is they call it, I think, Korean bowl or something like that. So we'll add some oil and wait for it to be heated. We'll add half onion with hot pepper or jalapeno. Once the onion is getting golden in color or brownish, we'll add tomato and garlic, around 2 pieces of garlic and half tomato. We'll add the spices, which is cumin, coriander, black pepper. Then we will add salt. Now we will start adding the soup that we prepared with the chicken. So we'll bring the vegetables, we will smash them to small pieces, the potatoes, carrots and zucchini. Then we'll bring some of chicken breast. We will make it small pieces with the fork, then we can add it. Feel free to mix it. We can also add some rice. We'll add little bit of chicken soup and let it cooked with lower medium heat or low heat for some time. It will like, if you let it cook for some time, you will get good taste. We will add some cilantro. Then we'll prepare the hulba. So for hulba, we'll bring 1 cup of cold water, around 1 spoon of fenugreek powder, one big spoon. We will let it rest for around 30 minutes, then we will throw away the water and we will mix it till it doubles in size and the color change to whitish. Then at this time we'll add 1 cup of cold water and let it rest for around 10 minutes, then we will throw this water. Then we'll prepare the green stuff for the hulba. So we can use some green onion leaves, hot pepper, cumin, cilantro, hot pepper. We will add it to hulba after throwing away the water that we added. We can add also some lemon and salt. Mix it very well. Then we serve the salta with hulba at the top. And if you like it spicy, you can add bisbas. If you like to see the video of bisbas, you can see it.